For formulas, master them, and you can solve 80% of finance exam questions. Today we walk through each one, then apply them to two complete exam-style problems. Formula 1. Present value of a single sum. PV equals FV divided by 1 plus R raised to the T. You receive an amount in the future, you want to know what it's worth today. Example. You're promised $10,000 in 5 years. Discount rate 8%. PV equals 10,000 over 1.08 to the fifth power. 1.08 to the fifth is 1.469. PV equals 10,000 divided by 1.469 equals 6,806. That's what the future 10,000 is actually worth today. Formula 2. Future value of a single sum. FV equals PV times 1 plus R raised to the T. You invest today, you want to know what it grows to. Example. Invest 5,000 today at 6% for 10 years. FV equals 5,000 times 1.06 to the 10th power. 1.06 to the 10th is 1.791. FV equals 8,954. Formula 3. Present value of an ordinary annuity. PV equals payment times 1 minus 1 over 1 plus R to the T, all divided by R. An ordinary annuity is a stream of equal payments at the end of each period. Example. You'll receive $2,000 at the end of every year for 10 years. Discount rate 7%. Plug in. PV equals 2,000 times 1 minus 1 over 1.07 to the 10th, divided by 0.07. 1.07 to the 10th equals 1.967. 1 over that is 0.508. 1 minus that is 0.492. Divide by 0.07 equals 7.02. Times 2,000 equals 14,040. That's the value today of the 10 future payments. The same logic in reverse gives FV of annuity equals payment times 1 plus R to the T minus 1, all over R. Formula 4. Perpetuity. A perpetuity is an annuity that never ends. PV equals payment divided by R. Example. A bond pays $500 forever at 6% discount. PV equals 500 divided by 0.06 equals 8,333. For a growing perpetuity, Gordon's formula, PV equals payment divided by R minus G, where G is the growth rate. Suppose a stock pays a dividend that grows 3% forever, current dividend $2, required return 10%. PV equals 2 over 0.1 minus 0.03 equals 2 over 0.07 equals $28.60. Now two complete exam problems. Problem 1. A loan of $100,000 at 6% annual rate, 10 years, monthly payments. Find the monthly payment. The monthly rate is 6% divided by 12 equals 0.5%. Number of months is 120. The PV of an annuity formula, solved for payment, gives payment equals PV times R, divided by 1 minus 1 over 1 plus R to the T. Plug in. Payment equals 100,000 times 0.005, divided by 1 minus 1 over 1.005 to the 120th power. The denominator works out to about 0.45. Payment equals 500 divided by 0.45 equals $1,111. Problem 2. Project A costs $10,000 today, pays back $3,000 at the end of years 1, 2, 3, and 4. Discount rate 8%. Find NPV. PV of inflows equals 3,000 times the annuity factor at 8% for 4 years. That factor is 1 minus 1 over 1.08 to the fourth divided by 0.08 equals 3.31. Times 3,000 equals 9,931. NPV equals 9,931 minus 10,000 initial investment equals negative $69. Reject the project. Common student mistakes. 1. Confusing ordinary annuity with annuity due. Annuity due adds a 1 plus R factor at the front. 2. Using annual rate when the period is monthly. 3. Forgetting to subtract the initial investment when computing NPV. 4. Applying perpetuity formula to a finite annuity. Memorize the 4 formulas. Know when each applies. An exam day plug-in chug is mechanical.